OnePlus just posted a teaser of a mystery event tomorrow, and we're hoping something good's coming. We have some new images of the Oppo Find X2 Pro, leaving very little for the imagination. We have some new real-life images of the P40 Pro that make that punch hole look very familiar. I'm Jaime Rivera, it's Monday, I'm not going to complain. We've got a ton of coverage coming this week. This is Pocket Out Daily. The official news today begin with deals, and don't worry, they're not all going to be about Apple products, but still, the ones for Apple are actually good. For those of you that want the latest MacBook Airs, Amazon is currently offering the renewed variants for $750. Today only, though. The Amazon Echo Studio is on sale, bundled with a Philips Hue bulb for $170. That's down from $200, and the Philips Hue bulb is expensive on its own. The Pixel Slate is also $300 off, leaving it at $499 with the keyboard bundled to it. Can't say I recommend that. Finally, the Powerbeats 3 are $20 off, leaving them at $79 shipped. More in the links in the description. Now let's talk about Oppo, as the company is taking the spotlight over a couple of launches that are happening, one official and then another that we're going to talk about later on. But the thing about it is right now the company has just announced their Reno 3 Pro in India, which brings 6 cameras. The device has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display, a Helio P95 SoC from MediaTek, 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, and a 4025 mAh battery. And by the way, that's up to 256 gigs of storage. At the back, we have a quad camera setup, 64 megapixels in the main sensor, 13 in the telephoto, 8 for the ultra wide angle lens, and then a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor. At the front, we've got dual selfie cameras with a 44 megapixel primary and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The Reno 3 Pro starts at $414 and goes up to $454 for that 256 gigabyte variant. We'll keep you posted on more details as they emerge. Now let's talk Black Shark 3. We've been covering a ton of these leaks, and now we've got a very interesting one as, well, the device is apparently coming tomorrow. So obviously, leaks are only going to intensify. We've got an image that just emerged on Twitter that shows the rear side of the phone with the triangle arrangement from the triple camera system. We can also see that the accents will light up using LED lights, the Black Shark logo, and the Tencent Games logo. The magnetic charger that was teased by the company is also here. And don't forget that because this is a gaming phone, the device is expected to bring triggers at the top for you to be able to game with that as well. Stay tuned. It's going to be an interesting day tomorrow. Now, another interesting product that we've been covering, even if we don't know exactly what its fate is going to be, is that Huawei P40 series. We've got some new leaks from SlashLeaks, and it's actually an image that doesn't really show anything of the phone except for the curved display and the huge pill-shaped punch hole at the top left corner. The punch hole looks like if it can fit more than just dual cameras, so it might serve to bring the Mate's facial recognition in a smaller footprint. We also have some other images of the P40 prototype, not the Pro, and show the triple cameras at the back, including the periscopic lens and time-of-flight sensor. So it seems that the regular P40 is not going to be a chump this year. We'll see in the end if we get anything. But how about if we move back to the topic of Oppo? Obviously, the Find X2 is another device that we've been covering. We know that it's going to be announced very soon, but, well, we've got some new apparent in real-life images of the device that were also posted by SlashLeaks. At the back, we see a significant camera hump that houses a periscopic lens at the top, as well as 2 regular lenses and a depth sensor underneath it. From the front, we can see the curved 6.7-inch display with a single punch hole at the top left corner of the screen, and we are expecting for the device to bring the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G with a high refresh rate and 65-watt charging. We'll keep you posted on what happens. Obviously, we're just a few days away from the announcement. But finally, the hottest news today have to do with OnePlus and the fact that obviously there are other phones being announced. So, you get companies trying to steal the thunder and provide some leaks of what to expect for something tomorrow. As the company has just posted a teaser captioned, 2020 is the year of surprises. Can you guess what's coming? The teaser was posted by OnePlus India and OnePlus UK, and it shows some industrial machines and gears that kind of resemble the rear camera modules of the OnePlus 7T and 7T Pro. But since we're so far away from, the time frame for any possible OnePlus announcement, it could just be that we're getting a new technology teased, sort of like what we saw with the OnePlus Concept 1. Let us know in the comments down below what you think it could be and what you would like to get, because in my case, whatever miracle they can make to get that camera right is going to be enough for me. OnePlus phones are great in absolutely everything but that. That's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on PocketNow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Also follow us on social media as our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me play around with what's happening this week. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.